In this AI AppMaker review, I'm going to be showing you a software that uses the power of AI and a drag and drop builder in order to create iOS and Android apps in just 2 minutes flat. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on every single one of them, including a discount on the offer you see on the sales page. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out AI AppMaker, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says brand new, world's first and most powerful AI-driven drag and drop app builder creates unlimited Android and iOS mobile apps in just 2 minutes flat. Start your own mobile agency and charge your customers $790 to $2,100 for creating a single mobile app. So I just want you to be clear here. I mean, they say that you could potentially charge people for this, but it doesn't mean that people are automatically going to pay. You're going to have to you need to find clients in order to charge for things like that. It says highly rated, but these people rating this are just like other affiliate marketers saying that it's great. Just so you know, 3 clicks away, it says choose a template, customize it, and then publish and profit. Of course, your profit's going to depend upon what you are doing with this. You can create customizable and launch dream apps in any niche, craft mind-blowing mobile apps, drag and drop, like a way of actually creating these just like with ease. Publish your mobile apps on 20 plus different app stores. You can have done for you templates, stock library. You can do one-click push notifications, which I think is the coolest part of doing a mobile app, is that you can actually get traffic with it. You can accept payments with it. You can do emails and SMS, all that included with this app. You also get the commercial license. Now, here's the thing though, it says, take a look at this. Like, this is how Sam W profited with this. He sold this on Fiverr and this guy sold this on Flippa, profited $890, profited $1290. I think this is a lie. I've actually seen these pictures before. They're like AI, they look like AI generated pictures. I do not believe this income proof whatsoever. I don't believe this right here. So it's kind of a little bit sketchy that they're lying here. No IDT, Oliver R. I don't believe that these guys actually sold these apps. Show me proof of that and I will update this review, but I don't think that's going to happen. So just be aware of that. It's just a software that creates apps. It's not a magic money making machine. And I don't like the fact that they are putting that fake income proof on this sales page. It's unnecessary. So let's scroll down here to the bottom. If you decide to purchase, you're going to get access to all these different things listed right here for a one-time fee. Now, as far as a discount goes, here we go. Move your mouse away on the sales page. You should get a $3 discount. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll come back and show you the OTOs and the discounts.
Imagine if, in minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first and most powerful AI-driven drag and drop app builder that creates unlimited iOS and Android mobile apps in less than 2 minutes and automatically uploads them on Google Play Store and Apple Store while banking you $587.42 per day on complete autopilot. Sounds like a massive life-changing opportunity. Look, the demand for Android and iOS mobile apps is all-time high, and in this era of the AI revolution, the mobile app industry reigns supreme as the fastest growing powerhouse, conquering every corner of the online world, with no signs of slowing down, and it's booming like never before. Here are some facts. As per the latest report by Statistic in 2023, the mobile app industry is worth $208.5 billion in 2023 and is projected to reach $777.4 billion by 2032. Around 310 million apps are downloaded daily. Over 21,148 new apps are released on Google Play Store per day. An average mobile user spends 90% of the screen time on apps. Mobile app industry covers 87% of the entire internet revenue. Mark Tandon, one of the Google Play Store app sellers, earns $250,000 annually. And an average app seller on Play Store earns over $12,000 per month. Hence, There is no doubt why mobile apps are the hottest business opportunity right now. And seeing this huge profit potential and limitless possibilities of the mobile app industry, we decided to give it a try. But we quickly ran into a major problem. Well, the world of mobile app creation is not easy at all. It comes at a premium price and hard work. Crafting mobile apps from scratch requires lots of technical knowledge and experience. And hiring expensive app developers and freelancers could easily cost you $10,000, leaving your wallet empty. But what if there was a better way? Where you can easily create, customize, and launch your very own dream apps in any niche without spending a single dime. Introducing AI AppMaker, the world's first and most powerful AI-driven drag-and-drop app builder that creates unlimited iOS and Android mobile apps in any language and in any niche in less than 2 minutes. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. It automatically uploads them to the Google Play Store and Apple Store while banking you $587.42 per day on complete autopilot. Finally, this revolutionary AI mobile app builder lets you create, customize, and launch your dream apps in real time by using our interactive drag-and-drop app builder. Craft mind-blowing mobile apps for Android and iOS using our done-for-you 1,000-plus stunning AI app templates. Create and launch mobile apps in 120-plus different niches such as gaming, education, e-commerce, food delivery, fashion, finance, sports, health and fitness, real estate, and so much more. Instantly add limitless AI content such as AI images, videos, music, and more to your apps with our built-in AI stock library. Broadcast mass messages to the app customers with our built-in one-click push notification. One-click payment integration. Accept payments in your app through PayPal, Stripe, or cash in hand. Send limitless emails and SMS along with videos, audio, and file attachments directly into your customer's inbox. Get total geographical insight. Track the number of app installs, views, and ratings for every user everywhere. One-click social media share. Blast your apps to over 50 different social media platforms with one click. Embed your affiliate links to the apps and drive free targeted traffic and sales on your offers and products. And the best part, you can get all this done in less than 2 minutes with just a few mouse clicks. Finally, this next-gen futuristic AI software lets you say goodbye to the hassle of creating mobile apps on your own. Say goodbye to the expensive app developers, designers, and freelancers. And finally, stop spending your hard-earned money on useless third-party app builders and services. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI app builder while driving automated sales and traffic on complete autopilot. Look, AI AppMaker is the new game-changing AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Choose template. Choose from our 1000 DFY sizzling hot and fully customizable app templates. Step 2. Customize the app as per your requirements with the drag-and-drop app builder. Step 3. Publish and profit. Start profiting by selling trending AI apps on the Google Play Store and Apple App Store while banking $587.42 per day on complete autopilot. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you create, customize, and launch your dream apps in any niche and language in less than 2 minutes? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page, which gives you full lifetime access to AI AppMaker just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below to get a copy of AI AppMaker at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you
first upgrade, you're going to see it's the unlimited upgrade, and you get a reseller account included right with this one. But what you are going to want to do is move your mouse away on this. You can get a $20 discount. I make less as an affiliate, of course. So again, hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one here is a done for you version where they set it up for you. This one's you can get a $30 discount if you move your mouse away. Then they have a set and forget version of it. They say guaranteed $2,000 a day profit. How can you guarantee that? You can move your mouse away and get a $50 discount. I don't believe that. Anyways, next one here, you can get flood your app and on offers with high quality traffic. Move your mouse away and get a $10 discount. Then they've got another one here, which is 5 proven done for you sites. Move your mouse away and get a $100 discount. They've got done for you templates. These income claims are pretty crazy. They'll profit $175 a day. I don't believe that at all. Anyways, move your mouse away and you're selling while making you an extra $50,000 to $100,000 a month. How can you make these claims? You can't claim that. You can get a discount though. You get an agency upgrade, get a $20 discount, and then there's more reseller license, get a discount, another OTO, another one. This just goes on and on and on and on. And then they've got a bundle of products. Get discounts, pick and choose the ones that you want, and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about AI AppMaker, and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, that income, like fake proof, it's just ridiculous. And saying that people can add in extra money like that, it's just not going to happen. There's no magic push button thing like that. So just be aware of that. What do I like about this? If you are looking for a simple way of creating mobile apps and you want to have a software that's a one-time price, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my AI AppMaker review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And click that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next review. Thanks.